Yes, plumbers absolutely should send follow-up emails after finishing a job because it keeps the relationship alive, builds trust, and brings customers back for future repairs instead of them calling a stranger next time. Think of it like this: when a plumber fixes your sink and then never talks to you again, you forget about them the moment something else breaks. But if they send you a quick, friendly email a few days later asking if everything is still working fine, your brain remembers them as the helpful person who actually cared, not just someone who took your money and left. Here is something most folks do not know. Plumbers who send a simple thank you email within 1 day of finishing the job get way more 5-star reviews because people are most excited and grateful right after the fix, not weeks later. That short window is called the peak satisfaction moment, and smart contractors use it to ask for reviews or referrals while the customer still feels that relief and gratitude. It is such a small effort, just one email, but it can turn a one-time customer into someone who calls that same plumber every single year. One common mistake is sending a generic robotic email that feels like spam, so instead, keep it personal, mention the actual repair by name, and thank them specifically for choosing your service. Another mistake is waiting too long to send it. Sometimes weeks pass and the customer already forgot who fixed their pipes, so send that follow-up within 1 or 2 days at most. A lot of plumbers also forget to ask for a review or referral inside that email, and that is honestly free advertising they are leaving on the table, so always include a polite line asking if they would share their experience. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.